back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you a magical remedy that will lighten your skin permanently overnight. But before we get into this video, please be sure to subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon so you don't get to miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.